And I'll pick up the second.
Nice. Double shot.
Did you get one and all?
Yeah, yeah, I've got one as well. So far away though, isn't they, right?
Yeah, that one's coming in.
Bring the crow decoys in a bit.
Shot. Great shot.
Easy.
It's not landing.
Huh?
It's not landing.
Yeah, it's landed, isn't it?
No, it's there. How close you want?
Close enough, mate.
Good shot.
That's how close I want it.
Yeah, turn.
There's one to my right, please. You get that?
I think so.
I don't know if I got it on me second or...
It was, but I think we shot the same time, but we'll see. Oh, is it?
Yeah, shot above you.
Bit far.
Guys come round. Another call.
Yeah? Yeah. Oh,
In the tree, other side, isn't it?
it's got. How the fuck did that get away? Shot. Welcome to my channel, Game and Gun TV. I've come out today with a bearded huntsman. We've set up on the crows. We've got a bit of a pattern which I'll show you anyway on our right. We've already had 16 now. I've got to put that to the clicker. As I was filming this last one, they literally popped up in front and the bearded huntsman absolutely nailed it. We've got pigeons to our left, which I'll also show you. We've put a nice V in the middle, but we're probably going to change that to an L shape. We've also got a flapper going on slow, and everything we've been knocking out the sky, we've just been adding to the pattern. But yeah, it's going good already. I had one even before we'd even started. Pulled the gun out of the car, it flew over. Oh, there's a pigeon, there's a pigeon. It's just landed. Fucking hell. Thought I'd done that then.
Yeah. I thought you hit it when you hit it up here. It looked like it had it.
I hit the tree, that's for sure. They're coming in, there's 3 or 4 coming in, come on.
Yeah. Oh, God. Oh, lovely.
Good shot. You just seen me, right?
No, it ain't. It's fucking in the hide. Nice. I thought it was coming into the hide the way it was coming. That's bellied up.
One of them's coming.
You hit that.
It's going down.
Yeah, you hit it. Oh yeah.
Come on.
I thought they were going to hook around the back of us and go and land it. Imagine that. All of them coming in.
Fuck. Oh, gone. Shoot.
Yeah. Fuck off. That took double. Yeah, look, in the tree.
What the fuck? How does that...
That hit both, mate. I'm telling you.
Mate, these are bulletproof, these fuckers. Shot.
Sorry.
You thought I missed mine, you just come and cleared up.
What spoke that
Up there, up there. Don't know. It's check door, it's check door. Shot. Fuck, he's coming at us. That's gone in the thingy and all. Get down, just more. Yeah. So another pigeon.
Yeah, I see that.
So we're here in the hide, we're shooting. Oh, it's coming into land. Oh, I'm trying to film a bit for the talking on the camera, but the birds keep coming in. I had crows on my right, pigeons on my left. So we've been shooting for a few hours now. What are we on? 37?
37, yeah.
So on 37, plenty of shots. Some good shots, some bad shots. Pigeons have not really been interested in decoying, mainly ferals coming over, and they're really like fighter jets as well, but they've not been looking to land. Not many woodies about, but plenty of crows, rooks. We've got plenty on the deck. Yeah, just a good day. We've got my missus bringing us over some coffee, so she's on her way. She'll have a couple of shots, so we'll try and get some footage of that. But yeah, enjoy.
Yeah, this one. Nice.
It's turned, but the wrong way. Oh, more pigeons. That's that one of them we just shot. Is that one on the deck?
Right, trigger on his head.
Nothing.
Down well too far, that was. I think I was well behind it.
Oh, something's coming on the left. Oh, they just see us. Mate, I was so off of that as well. I knew it as well.
Pigeons.
What? Don't fuck.
Oh, God, didn't I? There's no way you hit one of them.
Fucking ending it me.
Yeah.
They wanted to fucking land on that.
I did, yeah.
That's fucked off. Sorry, mate, I just see it.
I didn't even fucking see it myself.
I'm not sure if you can see my missus coming across the field in a fucking bright white jumper and a grey set of jogging bottoms. Fucking hell, she's been hunting loads of times. She knows a coup.
Just getting fancy at this time.
Yeah. Can you believe that's what she dresses up like to come shooting? Sir?
She'd probably be like, what the fuck are you doing? Look at that.
Yeah, staring at me walking across the field just because we fucking see her from 2 miles away. Here she comes with the coffees. I'm glad you wear camo. It comes closer.
Coming in?
Yeah. It's alright. And you have got 2 shots as well, remember? Yeah, one in front. Quick, turn around, turn. Yeah, you hit it. Got 2 shots. Unlucky. You did hit that. See you later. Good shot, by the way.
See you later.
I'm so gutted I didn't get on camera. All right, see you in a bit.
See you later. Fuck off.
Thought you blew a hole in the net. Oh, it went. I got it in the end.
Oh.
That's going to go down. Get your gun.
Changing.
That's,
Fucking 3 shots at it.
that's going to go down, surely.
Look at it.
Just carry on going. Gone down. That's it. It's you. Oh.
What's that?
That's how he shoots. With his fag hanging out his mouth.
Way forward.
So we decided to call it a day. Been here about 4.5 hours and it really slowed up the last sort of 45 minutes to an hour. Finished on a bag of 55, which we were over the moon. We didn't expect that. A mix of crows, jackdaws and even a couple of feral pigeons. But it's been a good day, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been a really good day, a lot of banter. It has been a good day. They were coming over thick and fast at some points and slowing down here and now, but hopefully the farmer will be happy, and you know, we've been out, we've had a bit of fun, so that's the main thing.
Well, we hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe, and we're going to bring you some more.